When BBL isn't done right, there are certain complications that are likely to happen. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 complications associated with BBL. If you are able to stick to the end, I might add another one, making it 6 complications of BBL. The first major complication of BBL is what we call fat embolism. This is the major cause of death when it comes to BBL. Now, it happens during the injection process where the processed fat is being injected into the bat. Sometimes, accidentally, these processed fat are being injected into major blood vessels and it causes embolism, where the fat is being transported to your heart, your lungs, and certain crucial organs in your human body. The second is infection. This usually happens during the liposuction where fat is being harvested from certain areas of your body. This mostly leads to cellulitis of that particular area where the fat has been harvested. And also, when it is being injected into your bat, at some point, the fat fails to survive at your bat, leading to something we call fat necrosis. And necrosis can lead to sepsis. Sepsis is your body's abnormal response to an infection. And sepsis is very, very dangerous. It can be fatal to certain crucial organs in your human body. The next thing is when these blood vessels are being poked, sometimes it leads to bleeding. So bleeding is another complication as a result of the BBL. Then the next thing I want to talk about is asymmetry. Sometimes after the BBL, you notice that a part of your butt is bigger than another or higher than another. There is also another complication, which is asymmetry. Then another complication is intense pain. There are majority of people that after the procedure, they are unable to go about their normal duties. Now, have it in mind that when immediately you get the BBL done, you can't be able to sit on your back for around I think a month. And most of the people, because of the intense pain, they are unable to go about their normal duties. So intense pain is also another complication as a result of this BBL. I have made a video explaining everything you need to know about BBL, the processes that goes through in order for a BBL to be completed. You can find time and watch that video too on my YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.